Hello everyone. This is new iMac based on Apple M1 platform. The CPU is really very fast and powerful. Well, it has still many difficulties when installing applications and packages for programming as well. Sklearn package is a typical one because it cannot install this package via pipe and pipe 3. Well, the default we can see the default is cannot be recognized by the system. Well, there's still one option to install the Sklearn package, mini forge. So I have separated 4 steps to install this package. So first blue, some new computer may not install the blue homebrew, so we need to from the start over. And then mini forge. After mini forge, the Sklearn can be installed via counter. Well, after installation, this is very essential. We need to choose the proper Python interpreter because the Sklearn package has been installed on counter virtual environment. So right now the Sklearn package cannot be recognized by the system because the Python interpreter is not the proper one. So here we go. We can find because the package has been installed on counter in virtual environment, so we need to choose one. Choose counter environment. Now, magic. The Sklearn package can be working now. Let me to run the code. 3 layers, 12 6 100. Oh, it is really fast. Oh, done. M1 CPU really very fast, powerful. That is impressive. Now the Sklearn package also can be running on this computer right now. I'm happy. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.